In the lowlands of Creggan there lives a white hare, as swift as the swallow that flies through the air. You may tramp the world over, but none to compare to the pride of low Creggan, that bonny white hare. Oh, in clear autumn morning, as you will suppose, and the red golden sun o'er the green mountain rose, Barney Conway came down and he did declare, oh, this day I'll put an end to the bonny white hare. So he searched through the lowlands and down through the glen, all amongst the wild ditches where the white hare ends, till at last coming down over the heather so fair, from behind the wild thistle out jumps the white hare. Bang, bang went his guns and his dogs he slipped too, as swift as the wind over the green mountain flew. But his dogs came back and it made Barney sigh. Barney knew that the white hare had bid him goodbye. And we're some jolly sportsmen down here from Pomeroy, from Cookstown, Dungannon, and from likewise the Moy. With our pedigree greyhounds we've travelled from far, and we've come down to Creggan in our fine motor car. Oh, well, into the lowlands these huntsmen did go, and in search of the white hare they look high and low, till at last Barney Conway from a tarp bank so rare, she shouted out to the huntsman, there lies the white hare. So they called up the greyhounds from off the green lea, and Barney and the huntsmen all jammed high with glee. It was there on the tarp bank all gathered around, 7 dogs and 9 men did that poor hare surround. Oh, no wonder that white hare did tremble with fear, as she stood on her hind legs she would raise her big ears. As she stood on her hind legs with one gallant spring, she jumped over the greyhounds and broke through the ring. Well, that she ace it went on, it was a beautiful view, as swift as the wind over the green mountain flew. But those pedigree greyhounds, they didn't run far, they came back and went home in their fine motor car. Yeah. Then here came another man, and you all know him well, and his name it was McKelly with the bonny black bell. Oh, in search of the white hare, today I'll have fun. I bet 50 to 1 my black bell will her turn. 5 turns the hare got then from bonny black bell, and the 6th one it was given around Gian High's well. It was there we lost sight of the hare and the dog, and then 10 minutes later they came o'er the black bog. Well, that chase it went on, it was great for to see. Oh, the white hare and the black dog, they roamed light and free, till she travelled to Esker, where she knew the lands well, and to bonny Black Bella there soon bid farewell. And now to conclude and to finish this rhyme, I hope that you'll forgive me for singing all this while. If there's any amongst you in Carrickmore Fair, please drink up a health